Hi and welcome. Chef Ed 2D here. Get it? Coming to you from the kitchen in my house. Please pay no attention to the fact that my kitchen cabinetry is in the state of a slight repair and makeover. Pay attention rather to the fact that my cookie jar is empty. Now I know I can run down to Publix and go grab a package of cookies off the shelf and probably rip them open with my teeth and fill my cookie jar and satisfy my needs. But today, my needs are different. Today, I want to smell chocolate chip cookies baking in my home, in my kitchen, filling my house with that warmth and that cozy feeling, bringing me back to Grandma's house. I've read my baking instructions and I have preheated my baking machine to the correct temperature, so it is now time to bake the cookies. With all due respect to both of my grandmothers who are getting ready to roll over in their graves, I am not making the cookies from scratch. Sorry, but today I live in a world of convenience. And the people at Pillsbury have helped me towards this end. So let's see if I can skin this tube and get these cookies on the baking sheets. Ah, not bad at all. A 1 and a 2. Whoops, right on the floor. Oh well. Oh my God, did you hear that noise? The baking machine has given us the green light. Time is now of the essence for the smell that I long for. And in like Flynn. That one on the end there is a little puny. Time! It will only be 12 to 14 minutes. Let's see what happens. Oh my goodness. You're not going to believe this. We're just 4 minutes in. Oh, these things smelled so good. I am going to have to invest in smell-o-video. Aha! We have completion! Oh my goodness. Oh, if you could just smell that. Oh, please. And now we have completion. And they're done. And I can eat them in a few minutes after they cool just a little bit. But more than that, my house, my kitchen, smells beautiful. And it's taking me back to that time when I was a kid at Grandma's house. Hello, Grandma Stella. And hello, Grandma Jenny. This is just bliss.